Hey, it's been a long time since I tested an accessory 2-in-1, the hub and an iPad stand. Recently I was given a new product for a review, Cabletime's 8-in-1 aluminum USB-C hub and a stand for iPad Pro, and I think you may like this one. Let's talk, but first the question, have you ever considered buying a hub for your iPad? Please answer below. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Markings. I'm the channel's host Marco and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews like this one. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is sponsored by Cabletime's Electronic Technology, a company that's been in business for almost 2 decades as a trusted digital accessory manufacturer, making hubs, stands, docking stations, cables, switchers, adapters, some of which I got alongside the hub. You should definitely check out their stuff by following the link in the description and in a pinned comment. Get a discount today. Now let's go. Let's do the unboxing first. To tell you the truth, when I got the package, my immediate reaction was, what is this? It's not just that its box is small, but it's extremely lightweight, which for some is good, although you can call me old-fashioned with the strong belief that when something is heavier, it is the true sign of quality. Well, this is aluminum after all, and we know that it's durable yet perfectly light material. The hub stand in this space gray color looks awesome and feels great, both folded and unfolded. The only thing that accompanied it in the package was the manual. Well, actually not. If once you take a peek below, there is an integrated braided USB-C cable that should connect the hub to your iPad. The bottom section of this accessory is the hub itself. The stand portion is positioned above the hub, which can be rotated 360 degrees thanks to its rotary structure, which is perfect if you want to share what you're looking at with the person in front. The stand portion has 2 adjustable hinges that allow you viewing and rotation in 180 degrees angles. Comparable to other stands, Cabletime didn't opt to rely on magnets. All you have to do is to just put your iPad on a designated part of the stand, which makes it compatible to more tablets than just an iPad Pro, for example. The portion that gets in touch with an iPad has a layer of soft rubber to prevent any scratches. On the other end, there is a hub part which offers different connectivity options. 2 USB-C 3.0 ports, with one of them supporting up to 100 watts power delivery, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, both supporting 5 gigabits per second data transfers, 3.5-inch audio connector, which is great due to the fact that you can't find one on the latest iPads, one 4K 60Hz HDMI connector, which makes a perfect sense if you do own an iPad powered by M1 silicon and above in order to fully utilize and extend your display to the second monitor. Finally, there are 2 memory card slots with support for various options, SD card, micro SD, and so on. There is a lot to like on this Cabletime's hub, as well as few aspects that could have been better. For example, its weight and foldability, which makes it space-saving and at the same time perfect if you want to carry it around. A possibility to rotate the stand 360 degrees is amazing and love the clicking sound of it. Although it would be better if the hub section is heavier, since it would make it more stable and fixed to the spot when you want to rotate it. Otherwise, it moves accidentally. Having a hinge that allows a stand 180 degrees angle adjustments is useful, but only at some extent, and you can see why. And then having all those ports at your disposal is always a good thing, even if some of it could have been offered with higher speeds and more up-to-date standards. Nevertheless, you definitely need to be fair and accept that this is quite affordable iPad stand and a hub. And you are really getting a lot for a buck. Sometimes that's more than enough for majority of people. So that's my opinion. And you know what? I'm gonna keep it since I honestly like its compact design. I will definitely keep their HDMI switcher with remote controller too, alongside 8K ready HDMI cable and 100 watts charging brick with 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports. My suggestion is check out the link in the description and a pinned comment. Get a good stuff for less money. And that would be all. Folks from Cabletime, I really appreciate the chance to try out your products. Fellow viewers, I hope you had a good time watching this review. If you liked this video, please subscribe, slap the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching the latest content from Digital Marketing channel. As always, my name is Marko. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Cheers!